the Scarlet LoLo Cooking Show. Welcome.
Hello and welcome to the Scarlet LoLo Cooking Show. Today I'm going to do a really simple dessert. Rhubarb crumble with whipped cream, yum! Because it's rhubarb season.
Rhubarb is full of antioxidants and it also has a lot of fiber, which is good to regulate digestion. Early in the season you don't have to peel it, it's quite tender, but later in the season you might have to, the stems get a bit tough on the outside.
So I've just harvested a whole bunch of rhubarb and I've chopped it into little pieces, and it's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous rhubarb. And I'm going to make crumble, rhubarb crumble. So I've got my flour. I'm going to add cinnamon to my flour, and I've already mixed my butter and sugar. The best way to do it really is to rub the butter into the flour and then add the sugar, but I have some pre-mixed, so I'm using that, and then we crumble.
It's fine to use demerara sugar or white sugar in your crumble. Demerara, of course, is better as it is unrefined, but whatever you have will do.
I never used to like rhubarb until I grew it myself, and it's such a joy in spring when the rhubarb comes out. It's the first fruit to come out, and it tastes delicious. I just realized I didn't actually weigh the rhubarb. Let me weigh it quickly. So it's 870 grams.
I've added 50 milliliters of water to the rhubarb and I'm going to steam it for about 3 minutes with the lid on.
Okay, Pyrex dish at the ready. And in goes the rhubarb. I'm now going to add the crumble.
And then it goes in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes.
As I've made double the amount of crumble, I can do another crumble in a few days.
So, a couple of days later, I got out some frozen rhubarb and made another crumble, 2 for the price of 1. You put the crumble over the top. This one had been in the fridge for a couple of days and it's perfectly fine. So from one session, effectively, I had 2 crumbles. So let's see what it bakes up like. Right, let's have a look at how the cookie crumbles, how the crumble crumbles. Ooh, that is looking crumbly fine. Very crumbly fine, I think. So here it is, rhubarb crumble. So let's dish up. You can serve it with ice cream, whipped cream, custard, that's the classic, or just by itself, or maybe some crème fraîche. And of course, this will need some whipped cream. Bon appetit! Another day, another crumble. You can always heat it up either in the microwave oven or just in the oven. The microwave is quicker and uses less energy, but if you have the oven on anyway, you can just put it in at the end for 5 minutes and have a cup of coffee with it. It also tastes really nice with some barley cup if you're having a caffeine-free day, which is a good idea once in a while. Twice as nice from a LoLo mug.